Hello TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. If you are new to the channel, you might not know that we just finished a lovely and relaxing staycation here at the DoubleTree by Hilton in West Edmonton. And before we left, I wanted to make sure that I got up early and gave you guys the full tour of the suite that we stayed in, as well as the hotel and its services and amenities. Really quickly, before we jump into the tour, I did just want to say thank you so much to the DoubleTree by Hilton for having us out for this stay. We had a lovely and relaxing time and would highly recommend a stay here. And without further ado, I am just going to get dressed so that we can get moving. That was easy. Let's go. So we're here in the hospitality suite and loving how much space we have here. This room has a living space, dining space, and kitchenette with fridge, sink, coffee maker, and tea and coffee, of course. We also have a separate bedroom and master bath connected by a beautiful sliding door for a little extra privacy whenever needed. The master bedroom also has its own smaller seating space with a beautiful view out at the city skyline. One of my absolute favorite things about this hotel has got to be the location. And I can tell you as much as you want to know about like my favorite things to do in the area, but really, I mean, I might as well just show you. Because right here from the window in front of me, I can literally open my bedroom window and see all my favorite things to do. Right over there on the left, you can see the TELUS World of Science, which is a ton of fun. I love going there to see their like dome videos. What are those called? And then directly ahead, you've got downtown, which is an easy drive from here. And then over on the right is the famous West Edmonton Mall with everything you could possibly need. So if you're heading here on vacation or just like want to be an easy short drive to everything you might want to do, perfect spot. So whether you are coming here with your family on vacation, or you're coming for a staycation, or you're just looking for somewhere to stay that's gonna give you easy access to like everything all at once, this is really the perfect kind of spot. And I also just want to take this quick moment to mention that the DoubleTree by Hilton is also connected to the Mayfield Dinner Theater, which we have been to a couple of times. Absolutely fantastic time, great food, great entertainment. And so if you are coming in from out of town and you just want to take in a show at the dinner theater and then be able to walk home to your room here at the DoubleTree, this is like the perfect spot, and it just makes that whole staycation, vacation vibe, weekend getaway, whatever you'd like, super, super easy. From the room, we will head downstairs to the lobby, which is actually very nicely organized with lots of smaller seating areas, as well as a business center, snack market where you can pick up any little extras that you may need or have forgotten, Stage's kitchen and bar for dining in or even just a glass of wine or two, and of course, Damara Day Spa. During our stay, I was actually lucky enough to get some time in at the spa, not only for a therapeutic back massage after a day of exploring, but for an Oxygenio Revive Oxypod treatment as well, which left my skin feeling so much younger and really helped to get a handle on those fine lines that we all dread so much after years of adventures and sun exposure. And speaking of wellness, last but not least, the DoubleTree also has a well-equipped fitness center that's connected to their pool area for anyone who might want to keep up that fitness routine or even just float for a while before heading back up to their room. So that's gonna be it for me for today and my tour of the DoubleTree by Hilton in West Edmonton. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and a big old subscribe so that you can see what adventures we get up to next. We have not only staycations, but also some potential vacations coming your way, so you're not gonna wanna miss it. And until I see you guys in my next video, stay great, stay safe, and I'll see you then. Bye guys.